It's been a week since the tragic death of Sushant Singh Rajput, and after the final rites were completed in Mumbai, Sushant's family immersed his ashes in Patna. सुशांत के परिवार ने पटना में एक प्रेयर मीट भी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, जहां सुशांत के परिवार के लोग और सुशांत के पुराने दोस्त वहां मौजूद थे to pray for his soul to rest in peace. It really seems hard to believe that such a young actor and a wonderful human being is no longer amidst us. But Sushant, ab jahan bhi ho, we hope that your mind is at peace. It's hard to believe that it's been more than a week since we lost the wonderful Sushant Singh Rajput under very tragic circumstances. While the nation and Bollywood are grappling with a lot of anger and grief, with Sushant's fans lashing out against powerful figures in the movie business, Sushant's family organized a prayer meeting in his memory at his hometown Patna. His father and sisters had attended his last rites in Mumbai, where the actor passed away but travelled back to Patna to immerse Sushant's ashes in the Ganga. Sushant too had spent his formative childhood years in Patna before moving to Delhi.
थोड़ा प्यार से
Video and some photographs from the prayer meeting, which was held at Sushant's Patna home, have been shared on social media. और उनकी तस्वीर पे हार देख के पहली बार ये यकीन आने लगा कि वाकई अब वो हमारे साथ नहीं है. In fact, just last year, Sushant had visited his hometown in Bihar to fulfill a mannat his mother had taken years ago. किसने सोचा था कि एक साल में इतना कुछ बदल जाएगा? In the images that have been shared, Sushant's family has lovingly decorated a smiling monochrome picture of their beloved son and brother with a traditional Indian lamp that is lit as per rituals following a family member's death. Sushant's fans, who have been finding it hard to accept his death, shared their grief in their comments. Rest in peace, Sushant, but we really wish we didn't have to say these words.